Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. So as all you know that the lockdown scrambled a lot of us, including me, to look for help in technology and the equipment. Without having any house help, dishwasher was one of the savior. This is my new Xiaomi dishwasher, and today I'm going to do the review of the dishwasher and will be telling you about its key feature and how to install it. In the market, there are a lot of dishwashers of different brands are coming and the companies are coming, but we bought the Xiaomi VDW0401M dishwasher, as Xiaomi has recently been expanding their line of electronics appliances, and so far their dishwashers are among the most trusted products from the brand. In the packaging, you can find 6 adapters of different sizes for the water connection, which must take place in a sink, the relative keys, a delivery pipe and a drain pipe, and a 7 single-dose sachets of powder detergent. So now if we'll talk about its design and the construction material, it has a weight of 12.5 kg, and this can be transported and stored very easily, as the whole structure is made of plastic except for the surfaces of the internal compartment. Since it can be used for dishwashing, sterilization, disinfection, drying and storage. Once again, the Xiaomi delivers more than what you pay for. We love how this doubles as a sterilizer, but at a much lower price point. Now we'll be talking about the key features of this particular smart dishwasher, and that could be the washing types or the washing mode. So there is 6 types available over here. So by default, that is set on fast mode, then there is eco, then there is crystal, then there is sterilization, then there is standard, and last is the intense one, which can be vary according to the intensity and the duration, and which have an average water consumption of which can vary between 5 to 6 liters. You can see in the lower trolley, you can put your flat plates, even your small pots and the glasses as well. But if you want to put your spoons and the other stuff, the cutlery things, then you can. There is an upper trolley where you can place these things. There is a special nozzle located on the left side of the appliance. You can see over here. You can put your dishwasher salt. For the first use, you can just use 500 grams, and later on, as per your needs, as per the requirement of the washing, you can put the salt as per the quantity required. Who doesn't want the quality of washing or the quality product? So nothing to say about the quality of the washing of the smart dishwasher, because the dishes, even the dirtiest one, are cleaned perfectly, right? But my only drawback which I feel is perhaps the lack of compartment, because since we're a family of 2, but the cooking utensils are a lot of. So overall, I want to conclude that this dishwasher has really surprised me, as it is effective, is very easy to use, and above all, it has low consumption of water and electricity. Also, the real added value is the application from which that allows you to monitor the progress of the chosen washing cycle. Also, look at this dishwasher. It is so compact, and it is so simple in the installation that make it ideal, especially for those who is living alone from the home in rented houses, or someone is moving house to house or place to place. They can take this appliance, all right, and it is so pleasing to eye.